Alrighty guys, this is Jay's Cool Cars 28 here, and today we're gonna do a Beyblade unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video I've ever done, so please don't hate me if I get things wrong. So, right now I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna start with Luinor L4 just to get him out of the way, because he's kind of my least favorite. So let's get started with Luinor L4. And let me just get him unboxed first. Alright, now I got the Beyblade together. Let me just turn on this light. Tilt it upwards. Okay, now there we go. So, first of all, let's look here. We got, Luinor L4, or should we call him Brutal Luinor. Not really much to say about this Beyblade, about the, energy layer. Not really much to say about it. Then we have 13. I have to say, nothing really much to say. I got nothing to say about 13. Then we have Jolt. Really got nothing about it. Does have the switch strike feature. I mean the slingshot feature. So yeah, I'll just put it together and then we can go to the next one. Oh, and the launcher, it just looks basic. Looks like a speedometer or something. Pretty cool. Oh, and here's the back of the package. I forgot to show you. Here's all the stats. It's an attack type. And yeah. And here's the bay. I pretty much think I'm going to keep it in its normal mode because logic reasons. Whoa. Is this rubber? Yeah, that feels like rubber. I don't know. Alright then. Let's move on to the next bay. The next one I'm going to move on to is the Achilles A4. This is a balance type, so you can tell by the stats. It's very, very balanced. So, guess we can get started unboxing this thing, so I'll be right back after I unbox this. Since we already, looked at the launcher, we don't need to look at it. So here we are, we have the Achilles. I have to say, I really like the red color. Really suits it. Next we got, is it 11? Yeah, it's 11. Not bad. Not bad. Then we have Extend, which, how do you get its slingshot gimmick? Oh, it's like what's his name? It's like Nemesis. It's like Diablo Nemesis. Almost. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I guess I'll assemble it together. And then we can move on to the final bay, my really cool favorite one on my scale. Alright. So, here they are. Yeah, not bad, I guess. He's pretty good. Then let's get on to the next bay. Final bay, Wonder Valtryek V4, my favorite one. You can tell it's an attack type, but it's fast. It is pretty quick. Not as quick as Luinor, but you get the point. It is an attack type. Pretty bad defense and stamina, but everybody loves a Valtryek. So yeah, let's unbox this guy boy, and then we can get to the testing after we look at it. Alrighty, here I got the bay unboxed. We still have the same thing about the launcher. So now we're gonna. So now we have 12. I gotta say, pretty much not what I was looking for, but somehow I bet it's gonna do great. So then we got Volcanic. Okay. and there it's slingshot mode, but it's kind of very shaky when it's in its normal mode. So for the time being, I'm just gonna keep it in its slingshot mode. And then finally we have Valtryek V4. I like the black and blue, but not like Takara Tomy. It's there's no metal besides from that. So now I'll assemble it, and we can get to the Beyblade Stadium, and we can test battle these bad boys and see which one's better. I do have some test subjects, so let's get started. Alright. Alrighty with the ring out. Sheesh, that was fast. Alright, next battle is I'm gonna do Wonder Valtryek versus Strike Valtryek. Let's go. Okay, so Wonder Valtryek is a little uncontrollable. That's the problem. Maybe if I take it out of slingshot mode, it will calm down. But we'll just go use the Achilles against Strike Valtryek then. I haven't tried that before. What? Okay, so that was a weird burst finish. Okay, let me try that again. Alright, try that again. Obviously, Strike Valtryek just owned him. Obviously. Okay, let's see if Strike Valtryek can handle Luinor next. Alright. Alright, Luinor. Okay, so Valtryek's just chilling. Alright, so Luinor's a little uncontrollable, but we'll try it against Nightmare Luinor. And go. I think Nightmare Luinor won that by an inch. Alright, so now let's go with Sprisen Requiem and Wonder Valtryek. Because why not? Yep, that's fast. But it's dead anyways. Try that again. Here we go. Layer. Oh my god, that was so fast that Sprisen just didn't even need to do anything besides spin in the middle for absolutely no apparent reason. Good job, Valtryek. Alright. Oh, whoopsies. Show the Achilles. Show Striker. Okay, Achilles, don't get bursted like last time. Striker Requiem is overall better than you. Okay, so then one more. Okay, just one more. We'll do Genesis Valtryek versus Z Achilles for just one more. Alright. Be advised that there's sand in this reboot driver, so it's not gonna work. Oh! Get wrecked. Z Achilles is not as good as I thought. So okay, So if you like this review, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I'm gonna see y'all later. And keep blading, everybody. Jay's Cool Cars 28, signing out.